These are the three accused of breaking in and stealing over $500,000 in foreign currency at President Cyril Ramaphosa's Phala Phala farm. They appeared in Bela court in Limpopo and are currently in custody.
Matter will be postponed to the 17th of November 2023 for judgment of bail in respect of accused number 2 and 3 and for the legal representative of accused number 1 to appear in court.
The crime they are apprehended for first came to light when a former head of South African State Security Agency, Arthur Fraser, filed a criminal case against the president for defeating the ends of justice. However, Ramaphosa was later exonerated of any wrongdoing by the then-acting public protector Nqobile in the Phala Phala report. Now, the authorities have put a face to the crime.
The two suspects are facing 4 counts. Number 1 is conspiracy to commit housebreaking with intent to steal and theft. The second one is the housebreaking with intent to steal. And the third one is the housebreaking with intent to steal. The fourth counts is money laundering.
Accused number 2 in the case is Phala Phala Farm's former employee Floriana Joseph, who currently resides with her parents in Bela. Her defense attorney argues her bail release is urgent, stating that her 1-year-old child needs her.
It has a serious bearing on the mother, more importantly on the child, because you understand the child is having a condition. She needs the mother more than anything.
Accused number 3 is Ndilinasho David Joseph. The 27-year-old is a brother to accused number 2, Floriana Joseph, and are both being represented by the same lawyer.
As I've alluded previously, that the arrest was imminent, and yes, eventually the suspect was located in the Eastern Cape, and then he came through to Bela where he handed himself over.
The siblings are Namibian, but it was revealed in courts that they were born in South Africa at Bela. They argue that they have no family or relatives outside of the country. Alongside the siblings is accused number 1, Emanuela David, who's also Namibian. The 39-year-old, according to NPA, was not employed at Phala Phala farm, but is linked to the crime. On Tuesday, when David first appeared before court, he had no legal representation.
You did indicate that in any event you would be requesting a postponement for accused number 1's legal representative.
That is so, Your Worship. And the arranged date for that was the 17th, which is next week Friday, but it appears cancelled for number 23 is not available on that date. Maybe address the court in that regard.
The NPA has refuted allegations that more money may have possibly been stolen during the robbery.
We've got the US dollars of amounting to 580,000 rand only. The other amount is just a wrong report.
It has also since emerged that the complainant in this case is the farm manager.
The state president is not a complainant in this matter. The manager who was managing the farm is the complainant. He's the one who's going to be the witness in our case.
Despite the stolen forex amount to an equivalent of millions of rands, the state did not oppose bail against the Schedule 5 accused. However, the state has put in place some conditions should the applicant get bail.
Your Worship, the state is not opposed to the granting of bail to the first applicant, but would like to propose the following conditions. That an amount of 5,000 rand be fixed, that the passports that have been surrendered will remain in the custody of the investigating officer until this matter is finalized. Accused number 3 is employed in the province of the Eastern Cape. That is where he is normally confined. The condition relating to that is that he should not leave one province to the other without informing the investigating officer. That it does not interfere with witnesses. In respect of accused number 3, the state proposes that bail be fixed in the amount of 10,000 rands.
For now, though, the NPA has not ruled out more arrests. The case continues on the 17th of November. For Newzroom Afrika on channel 405, I am Nqobile Madlala in Limpopo.